In this video, we're going to talk about forms. We store forms in MODX for export and backup purposes only. To see where all of your forms have been held, in the MODX Manager, simply select Extras from the top menu and then FormIt. Underneath here, you'll be presented with a list of forms which have been filled out on your website. You can filter these down simply by selecting from the drop-down box the name of the form, or selecting a start or end date. Combining these options can allow you to refine your search criteria. Right-clicking on any one and clicking View Form will present you with a simple layout. As mentioned earlier, this is only meant for backups. After you've made a selection, you can export. Exporting will put it into a CSV list. From here, you can take this into Microsoft Excel and perform various pieces of functions over it.